a car came up the hill kind of out of nowhere, speeding, not paying attention. The car didn't slow down at all, and we got hit. So I went under the car and was dragged by the car. And then my boyfriend was hit, and he went on top of the hood into the windshield and then back down. Well, and it's funny, you tell people too, oh, I was in a car accident. And they're like, oh, were you driving? I'm like, no, I was walking. Lawyers get a really bad rap, and particularly like personal injury attorneys as ambulance chasers. And Jason just came in with such a gracious tone and so calm, and just listen to the story. It was like, that really must have been horrible. And he was so thorough in talking about options and what we could proceed with. And he said to me before the end of our first phone call, I have to discuss it with my partners and I'll let you know if we will take the case, which to me said this is someone who's seriously considering the case, if it is feasible, if this is, if we actually have something here, as opposed to someone who's just like, yes, absolutely, I'll take your case, let me get you in here. And so it felt like a level of trust immediately from the beginning with that, that they were really gonna take it seriously. A lot of thought went into it on their end. It was a level of, let's really think about this case, let's really research what policies and laws are, and let's, really think what we have here before just being dragged through a whole court case and everything. Like, Jason was really respectful of the fact that, like, this isn't something that I don't introduce myself to people. Oh yeah, I was hit by a car, It's something that I don't particularly enjoy telling people. And he was very respectful of the whole time, that it's like, we understand this is traumatic, we understand that you just want the best help that you can get and you want it to be over, and that's really what he did. He just made everything really easy. Insurance is very confusing, especially for our type of situation where you're a pedestrian in a car accident. Everything is dealt with by your car insurance, not your medical insurance. So going through your car insurance on hospital bills when no car was involved, like, there was just a lot of things like that he really took the time to explain. He was really accessible whenever we had questions, to call or email him, and he always got back to us within 24 hours. This isn't someone that's just like, let's sue everybody around. It's, let's really see what's gonna make the most sense and going to be the least traumatic for you. We didn't end up having to go to court. Everything was settled. I mean, to the point that, like, he called me, was like, I just need your medical records. I'm just waiting on one last thing. We got it taken care of, and I heard from him 2 weeks later, everything's settled. And I was like, oh, okay, great. That's fantastic, He was great in knowing, like, this is what we need to do. These are the people that we need to contact. This is what you're entitled to, and this is how to proceed. So he definitely never said, this is what we're doing, I'll let you know how it goes. It was always, here are your options, here are my opinions. What are your opinions? What are your thoughts? What are your questions? And everything was our decision. And then Jason just handled it all. I mean, I never had to deal with my insurance company once. Everything that needed to be sent, faxed, emailed, anything, it was taken care of. I didn't have to do any of it. I'm terrible at remembering to mail things on time, and everything was taken care of, so I could actually focus on my medical care and just, like, getting my life back to normal, to what it was.